I was in nursing prereqs down in Plymouth campus at Quincy College, and one day I just saw a flyer for the Rad Tech program and I thought it was pretty interesting. I ended up taking that flyer home and doing some research, and I just discovered that Rad Tech, you're only dealing with one patient as opposed to nursing. You're dealing with multiple patients at a time, and I prefer that pace. Quincy College is a pretty convenient location for me. They have two campuses, obviously one up in Quincy, one down in Plymouth. But I thought Quincy had a pretty central location, and something that was really important to me was a good diversity in clinical locations. They have like Mass General all the way down to the Cape and Fall River. The program's definitely prepared me to work in the real world for just multiple reasons, but I think the biggest one is my clinical sites that I've been to. I've been to South Shore Hospital, and there it's a smaller hospital, so it's really helped me to prepare for scenarios that I'll be in eventually as a tech by myself. It's definitely also helped me in class. I think Gabby and Aaron do a great job. There's also other things that they do for us, like good lab experience, and they make us work together a lot, which really kind of helps us prepare for the outside world.